Carbon is the sixth element in the periodic table. It has 6 protons, 6 neutrons, and 6 electrons, and is a metalloid. It is the member of the carbon group, and its electron configuration is helium 2s2 2p2.
Carbon has a boiling point of 4,827 degrees Celsius and a melting point of 3,550 degrees Celsius. The element's heat of vaporization is 355.8 kilojoules per mole, and its heat of fusion is 105 kilojoules per mole. Carbon has many isotopes, though its most common is carbon-12, which contains 6 neutrons in addition to its 6 protons. The next heaviest carbon isotope, carbon-13, has 7 neutrons.
The carbon atom is unique in its ability to form an extensive network of covalent bonds. Due to its location halfway across the second period, carbon is most likely to share electrons.
The common compounds are glucose C6H12O6, which can be found in bread or cake, and carbon dioxide CO2, which is what plants need, and CO, carbon monoxide, which is extremely dangerous.
Elemental carbon has a very low toxicity. However, carbon monoxide, a very popular gaseous form of carbon, is extremely deadly.
Although carbon doesn't have a definite discoverer, Lavoisier technically receives the credit for it because he classified it as an element in his book. Carbon is derived from the word carbo, which in Latin means charcoal. Carbon has long been used as charcoal and coal, but had some medical uses such as absorbing smells from wounds and inside the intestinal tract. Carbon is currently being used for diamonds and graphite and pencils, as well as carbon fibers, which are used for tennis strings, fishing line, and more.
Carbon is the sixth most abundant element in the universe. It's found in the atmosphere, fossil fuels, and in sediments. Abundance in the Earth's crust is 200 parts per million by weight and 344 parts per million by moles. In the solar system is 3,000 parts per million by weight and 300 parts per million by moles. Because carbon is stable, it could be found both by itself and in many naturally occurring compounds. Carbon is also found in carbon dioxide, which can be found in plants, as well as humans exhaling it. In school, as well as home, you would find graphite in your pencils, an allotrope of carbon. At home, you may find that another allotrope of carbon are diamonds, which will be a person's jewelry, such as a wedding ring or a necklace. Carbon is found in graphite deposits and in diamond mines. Prices also range from $6 to $60 per metric ton of carbon dioxide.
Recently, a new fullerene of carbon was discovered by scientists at the Carnegie Institute of Washington. The fullerene is called pentagraphene and it forms a pentagonal structure, kind of like this.